How's it going, everybody? Got this CINOTON solar light here for an unboxing, assembly, and review. Let's check this thing out together. Here's all the stuff that was in the box. So you got 2 lights, and there's 3 pieces per stand. Look at this, it's got an adjustable head on it too. This part sticks in the ground like that. And then this part goes on top of that. Give you a little more distance there. And this will slide right onto there. Oh, these are totally awesome. So I love this stand. They kind of took these things to the next level. Usually when you get them, it's just usually the spike and then, you know, a mounting bracket like that. But this thing has 3 pieces to it, giving a little extra length, so it'll stick up a little farther out of the ground with a rotational head on that too, which that is awesome. And then you just, I mean, super easy assembly too. Just slap that right on there. There's a look at them right there. And the adjustments are on the back here. Solar panels right on the top. I can't wait to check these things out tonight. I'll let them charge up all day out here in the sunshine. So I'll show you what these buttons are all about. Okay, these things have 3 modes to them. And to adjust that, so this is just power on, power off, that button right there. And then the one on the right here is mode. And there's 3 different modes. The first one's motion sensing mode. Oh, that's great. And it's got the high brightness mode. So it's motion sensing with high brightness. Mode 2 is motion sensing with high brightness, and it'll stay on. So mode 2 is the stay on with the dim light. And mode 3 is it'll stay on medium brightness and motion sensing with the highlight brightness mode. So I'll show you what all that's about tonight. That way I'll really be able to really see what those are about. Or I just might take these into a dark room real quick and go over that. Oh, there we go. Oh, that baby's nice and bright. Let's check out the different modes. Okay, that looks like mode 2. Okay, so it's got, yeah, there's mode 3. All right, I got these things all set up in the daytime here. I want them to light up this Bigfoot my good buddy made me. Oh, these solar lights are awesome. Put on motion detection mode here.